like no matter what you put on, you never feel pulled together and polished. I'm going to talk all about my favorite new hack, the 8-point rule. So let's get into it right now. This rule was actually, I found out about this rule from a TikToker. I'll link to her in the description below, but it's a really fun, easy way to see if your outfit has the right number of points to see if you're pulled together and polished. And you can't really miss with this concept. I love it. And I actually went through, we're going to go look at some of my old outfits and we're going to see, did I miss the 8-point rule or did I do it right? So we'll go into those in a few minutes. I put a free PDF in the description below. You can go download that. So I'm going to go through all of the points with you. Every outfit should fall within 6 to 8 points. So if you have on a top, that's 1 point. So here's my top, 1 point. Bottoms, that's also 1 point. So I've got on a pair of pants, so there's my 2nd point. Then if you're wearing dresses, because it acts as a top and bottom, that's 2 points. Or if you're wearing a pattern, that's also 2 points. Jewelry counts as 1 point. Now think of it like, okay, earrings would be 1 point, necklaces, no matter how many you're wearing, they're 1 point. Bracelets and watches also 1 point, because you don't have to count each bracelet as a point, just 1 for the wrists, if you think of it that way. Shoes, 1 point. Socks, if you can see them, those are also 1 point. Belts, 1 point. Hats or hair accessories, 1 point. Overcoats, those are 2 points. And then if you have jewelry that you wear all the time that just is part of you, like both of my rings, if I'm going anywhere, both of these rings are with me. My wedding band and this ring always. Or if you have really tiny earrings that are just like little like pearl studs or something like that, you don't really have to count those either. I've got my shirt, my pants, 2 points. My shoes, little black slides, 1 point. So I'm at 3 points. Then I have on a scarf, 1 point. So I'm at 4. My earrings, another point, 5. My glasses, another point, that's 6. I'm going to go out of the house and I'll put on my handbag. So that's going to be 7 points. And I usually don't leave the house without my watch. So that's going to be 8 points. So that's how the system works. Okay, so let's take a look at this outfit. This one is a t-shirt, jeans, sandals, earrings, glasses. Pretty low key for me. That is 5 points. However, just by making a few changes, I can get it to the right spot. So I changed up the top to something a little bit dressier, went with the same jeans, added a belt, my bracelets and watch, the handbag, shoes, glasses, and earrings. So now, boom, I'm at 8 points. And notice how much more polished this outfit looks compared to this one. Here's another one. I've got on a dress, which is going to be 2 points. And then I have a handbag, but it's got a print on it. So that's also going to be 2 points. Pair of shoes, a watch, earrings, and glasses. And boom, I'm at 8 points. Let's look at this next one. I've got on a tank top and a pair of jeans. Those are each 1 point. Then I have on a jean jacket, which is a layer, an outerwear layer. So that's 2 points. And a sweater that's got a print on it. So that's also 2 points. A pair of shoes, earrings, and glasses. So I'm at 9 points. So what I could do to tone that down is switch to a solid colored sweater over my shoulders, and then I would be at 8 points. Now here's a little workout outfit. The top is 1 point. The printed leggings are 2 points. My jacket is 2 points. Sneakers, even though I'm wearing socks, you can't see them, so that's just 1 point for the sneakers. My earrings and my glasses are each a point, so that brings me to 8 points. Here's one where I went out on the ferry near us, and I have on a little tee and a linen shirt. These are each 1 point. Then I have on printed pants, which are 2 points. I've got on a handbag, sneakers, earrings, bracelet, watch, and sunglasses, each 1 point, but that brings me to 9 points. So maybe what I would do is not wear the layered t-shirt, just wear the shirt without the tank underneath it, or take off the sunglasses, and I would be able to be at my 8 points. And then let's look at this one. It's a summery day. I've got on the top, which is 1 point, a printed skirt, which is going to be 2 points because it's got the print, a handbag, 1 point, sandals, earrings, bracelets, and glasses all 1 point, which gets me to 8 points. Now you can see how the system works. I'd love to know, what do you think about this 8-point system or 8-point rule? And is it something you're going to give a try? Let me know in the comments. As always, I love when you leave me a message, and I'll see you in the next video.